Hey guys, I'm Dr. Zainab Bora, and I have with me Dr. Shreya Rohila, who secured a rank 962 in this year's NEET PG. So, congratulations, Shreya.
Thank
Uh,
you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. I mean,
yeah, go on.
now that I think of it, it has been a great journey, and mostly because of you and few of my friends and parents. It was actually. I mean, you need people around you for such a journey who really support you and believe in you.
Yes,
And yeah, thank you so much.
amazing. So tell us a bit about yourself. How was your MBBS like? What kind of a student were you? Did you start preparing, for NEET PG then, or was it really after internship?
Actually, I am from a private medical college. So it was always, I mean, not now, much of my seniors have done in their first attempt. And I-NITO was out of scope. I mean, we didn't even think, yeah, we can, you know, uh, crack the exam. But even, I mean, first year was fine. I didn't do much. I just joined, so I was like, okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Then in second year, I started liking the subjects. I started reading Robbins and K.D. Tripathi, the standard textbooks.
Yeah.
And along with it, when I heard of a few teachers like Govind sir,
Yeah.
so I watched his videos. And I was just going with the flow, not too much, but I used to study consistently, I mean, throughout the year, not
Yeah.
just before. I was not the person who can do it just before the exam. I used to panic a lot, so I had to keep everything planned. So I used to study. I was not as such preparing for NEET during that time. Then third year was okay, and I mean, in third year, final year, I started watching interviews of people, getting a little bit inspired
Yeah.
to what should I do next, what should I do. And I completed a lot of main videos and notes during that time of majority of the subjects.
Yeah.
And yeah, and the main, I was referring to the main notes. So majority of the things were covered in that.
Yeah.
So I used the same notes for university exam, my profs.
Nice.
And so because I thought that I will be studying these only after in my internship, so it would be better. So I
Yeah.
stuck to those, and it was really nice. I mean, I used to remember when we answer some questions, and the gut feeling that comes, it actually is from the things you have read long before.
True.
So it really helped a lot. And then I mean, that was okay. Then I started my internship, and from day one I was like, I have to start from today. And my internship was sometimes it was okay, chill. So my first 3 months were PSM, so I was like, yeah, I have to utilize PSM. Few people will get it in the end; they'll utilize more, so I have to do it right now only.
Yeah.
So I started from day one, and I used for in the start I used rapid revision, the revision notes, because I had the concepts from my MBBS sign. And so I did that. And I mean, finished my first read in around mid-September. Then second first revision by January. And I was not so uh, I mean that I have to do this, have to
Yeah.
do this. I was chill. I mean, I used to go out. I mean, I think 2-3 times a week. I didn't say no to plans, and it was fun. The internship was also fun. I learned. I studied. I mean, I in general, I made a plan that I by four, I most in my most of the days I get 3 by 4, so I get back, and 4 to 8 I'll be studying,
Nice.
and weekends so I'll take care, I'll go out and all. Then my internship got over by April, yeah,
Last year.
and yeah, this year
This year?
April,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah. I mean, but I had all the things ready. I mean, I knew what I have to do. I was just waiting
Yeah.
when I will get 24 hours by myself, and I'll study. So I
Amazing.
was waiting for it, and it got. I remember I came back. I mean, at on 11th April I started.
Hmm.
Then I was giving my all, and I had done I had gone through BTR and annotated my notes at the in the end of my internship only. So I was ready with that also. And if
Yeah.
you ask me where is that written, so I'll be able to tell PK there it was there, and I had a picture memory, and I was well versed.
Yeah.
So then I started, and I used to give GTs after that. I mean, my internship got over, so I started giving GTs every 2 weeks consistently, and I reviewed on the same day.
Hmm.
And one thing was that I was not afraid of giving GTs. I mean, I like giving it and reviewing it, even if I was not getting much in the start. But I made sure that it was not something that I mean, if I'm not scoring good, तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. I was okay, ठीक है, I'll improve, I'll improve.
Yeah.
And even obviously my friends around me, they were like, you can do it. I believe in you. I was like, yeah, कुछ तो होगा if they're saying they believe in me.
Yeah.
So then I did my cycles. I used to do RR, then BTR on the
Mm.
same. I finished RR by evening. I used to do रात को BTR and then PYQs and all. So it was a routine. I mean,
Yeah.
I did before INI, I did 2, 3 cycles,
Mm.
and so in INI, I was like, but till INI, I didn't believe in myself much. I mean, ठीक है, friends were saying, कि, but I didn't feel much of it. कि, ठीक है, I can do it, and
Mm.
none of my seniors have ever done it. So I was like,
Yeah.
ठीक है, दे देते हैं mock जैसे, we'll see. And so I gave, and I remember I watched the Ashirwad video, and you had said that first 10 minutes are very, you have to just push through it and you will get through it. And I kept that in my mind. But when I reached there, there was the countdown going on. I went so, I mean, I became so anxious, and I seriously didn't believe in myself at that
But
time.
that was the very first exam of your life, isn't it? Like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So the first set was horrible. I mean, the first 10, 15 questions, I was spiraling so much. I read, I mean, each and every question minimum 3, 4 times.
yeah.
And in the end of the first set, I think 12, 15 questions were left, and I had just 2, 3 minutes. I was like, oh, you literally, your words were like, I cannot, I mean, it is unacceptable for my students to, yeah. So I was like, what to do now? And but so I read the last line of few questions and I just went to it. But still, I think 6, 7 questions I didn't even get to see.
Mhm.
But then I was like, okay, okay, first set is over. I'll get through this. I mean, I just collected myself and gave the rest of it. And in each set, I completed 5, 10 minutes before the this thing,
Yeah.
and reviewed also. But first set हो गया. But ठीक है. I was
Mm.
like, okay. But after giving that, I
Yeah.
realized that it is not. I mean, I actually, you also used to say that INI is very predictable. INI you can do. INI. Then I was like, yeah, that was right. Everyone, I can do it. And then I was like, okay, ठीक है, no regrets. Then I was expecting very bad. मतलब इतना तो रह गया था. तो I was like, कि ठीक है, देखते हैं. Then results came and I got around 3K. I was
Mm.
like, how? I mean, I didn't even see 6, 7 questions. Then I
Yeah.
was like, I should have done. I was regretting a bit that I should have believed in myself long before. But okay. Then that gave me a push actually.
Yeah.
So I really advise everyone, even if you don't think you can do it, please give INI.
Yes.
So I mean, it will help you eventually if you giving NEET also. So
Yeah.
it's then I gave INI. Then after that, the results came out. I was like, oh my, I can do it. Then I started really hard. I literally gave all of it. I mean, I used to think कि यार नहीं हो पाएगा ये, छोड़ो इसको जाने दो. But then I was like, नहीं नहीं, regret नहीं करना. So I used to finish it up, everything. I literally didn't leave anything. And I made sure that everyone was doing BTR. So even if I miss a single thing and that comes in the exam, I'm going to get out of the competition. So I made sure that I really, really remember everything.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I gave again a few cycles of the revision notes and BTR along with everything. And in the night, I remember I used to stay alone near my college only, the flat I had taken there. So I stayed back there only.
Yeah.
So I was like, before sleeping yesterday, I didn't get, मतलब, कोई नहीं था ना, तो I had to hear something or do something. So I used to see ENDs रात को सोने से पहले randomly, मतलब whatever subject I think I am feeling थोड़ा weak है, ठीक है,
Mm.
तो I used to do that.
Yeah.
I watched that, and yeah, that was a routine for me, and I maintained that routine. I think routine is really important,
Yeah.
and in the end, I mean, I made sure that in the last two, I have everything figured out. What will I do in last 2 days, in last 2 weeks? everything, so that I become less anxious and everything is planned out. So I did that because I know what anxiety does in INI, what happened. So I made sure that I am as calm as possible. And then again, I watched the Ashirwad one before INI, sorry, before NEET. And you said ki easy yoga to high attempting, do this, do that. I kept everything in mind. And I have to imply, I realized कि सब imply करना है जो भी अभी सुना है. And yeah, then it went really well. I was thinking, I was getting happier while giving the exam. Nice, nice, nice. And yeah, so it was a really great journey.
Amazing. From what I could gauge after listening to you was yours is a story of restoring self-belief one step at a time. You
Yeah.
started off your interview by saying I come from a private college, and
Mm.
you were figuring everything out on your own, in a way.
Yeah.
You had a goal in mind, and a constant, it was a constant work in progress. I think you were always trying to push your boundaries, whether it was in MBBS where you were reading books, you started doing main videos. I think you were always trying to push your limits, and restoring your own self confidence.
Yeah.
And sometimes along the way, even if you are very self confident, which I think you are, you need somebody to tell you, that you can do it. You
Yeah.
definitely need that faith restoration, and that's what your friends provided, so
Yeah.
kudos to them also for that.
Yeah.
You are
I'm so grateful.
very lucky, yeah, because there are a lot of people who can give you statements that bog you down a lot of times, but there are very rare
Yeah.
people who try to make people
Lift you
right.
up.
So
Yeah.
yeah, you are very lucky in that regard. So amazing, and in the end you gave INI, you further wanted to outdo yourself, and I think you just discovered that you can do better and better.
Yeah. Yeah.
You ended up doing that. So I'm so proud of you, and how far you've come along. And I think a lot of your juniors now of that college that you come from
Yeah.
now look up to you, and see that, okay, if Shreya has done it, we are going to do it, and we are going to do even better. And that's the example, so you've set an example for so many students. I give example in class where we think our rank is our own victory, but what you don't realize, it's a domino effect. You are
Yeah.
changing your entire college's fate, because now they think it's possible to crack INICT with a great result. So
Yeah.
that's what you've done actually. So kudos to you, and I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much.
So, just as a closing note, any shout out that you want to give, to your friends, family, please go ahead and do that.
Yeah, I mean, seriously to you, I used to think, yeah, she's so smart. She has cracked the code. I just have to follow her. It was really nice. I'm so glad that we have some teacher like you. I used to think अगर 4-5 साल पहले दिन होता तो कैसे होता. But really glad for you. And obviously my few friends and parents, they always supported me. I don't think they ever questioned. So I
Amazing.
was, yeah. And I mean, this is all I have to say, that please believe in yourself, do the hard work,
Yeah.
you'll get there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing. So it was so lovely talking to you, Shreya, and keep your friends close, give them a big treat. I think we,
Actually, I am here right now. I'm
yeah.
in Mumbai. I flew in to meet my friends only.
Oh, that's
I
nice.
Yeah, they're just waiting outside. This is my last day in Mumbai. So
So you
we
are
were
having a party.
cele-
Yeah.
yeah, they're just outside. They're watching through the window.
Oh, that's great. So yeah, you deserve this. So celebrate and party hard. So all right, I'll see you soon. Thank you so much
Yes,
for talking to me. Bye.
yes, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.